Do you always end up with salt and pepper all inside your bag? Do you never have enough spice for your meat? Well, I think I may have found the product for you. Right, let's have a look. I will leave a link in the description below if it turns out to be any good. Oh, lovely fake leatherette handle, can't beat that. And get rid of those bits. So it is, it has got, wow, it's quite good actually. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 glass jars with fairly, oh, they've got screw caps and little silicone seals which you can put in, so I should think they're quite good. And then little cork ones, I mean, you'll just lose the cork tops, but they might be quite good. But these are all glass, so good for breaking. And then what attracted me to this is the fact that you get a tiny salt and pepper mill. I think we are going to need to test this out to see how good it is. I will be back with some salt and pepper in the mills. Right, so I'm back. I've got some salt and pepper in these now. Let's give it a go. I haven't even tested them. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Actually, that's quite good. Well, I'm pleasantly surprised with that. Salt, pepper, squirt bottle for oil. I think this will come on my, obviously not the hiking trips, but the when we're camping in the woods and stuff. So that's great. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Please see a link to another video which will pop up now, and also if you think this video has earned a subscribe, please do subscribe. Give it a like and a share. All the links for the product will be down in the description and the pinned comment. Thank you ever so much. Goodbye and have a wonderful weekend. Cheers.